viewer, we will create the different styles here, change the different pictures and layer styles. I will take an angle there, so use an eraser tool, then take that style we have taken, use a eraser tool on that surface, make a paint there we will use for it. So let's explore the different options we have there. It's a pen tool shape design to make an attraction. So there is an eraser tool on the surface here. Use an elliptical tool. So we have to take it. I will have another design. Now